Jackson Crumb, and I am doing a Beyblade battle of Rock Aries versus Earth Aries. Now, many people think that Rock Aries is going to win. He probably is, but they're both Aries and they both kind of have the same heart, so I say go both of them. Right here, Earth Aries, let it. Actually, I think Earth Aries might win because of that heart thing. Ooh, this is a tough battle. Pretty tough. Ooh, I think it's Earth Aries probably because looks like Rock Aries losing its stamina. It's off balance too. Uh-oh, not good. Go, Earth Aries, you can do it. There you have it. The winner is Earth Aries, everybody. Ooh, go Beyblade.